Reporting live from the fitness factory. Good morning. No need of long talking. I'm already late, so right now it's I think 3:20, 3:40. Even though it's gonna be a very quick, smooth leg workout today, only 2 exercises, hopefully. And yes, that's pretty much it. It's gonna be of leg press and front squat. I'm gonna try that front squat again today because the one on my last leg exercise, the front squat, it was it felt really amazing. Even though the last set I didn't do it properly because I wore sleeveless and the weight was slippery. So yes. And with that being said, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, please. Give us a support and smash the video, smash the like button, and stop skipping like that. Train your leg properly, train your lower body properly, okay? Let's warm up and just get the shit popping. Yeah, let's get this thing going. Yeah, shall we? Yeah. Warm up. Do I need a warm up? Yes, I think you do. You do need a warm up. All right, let's go. Quick. Yes. Quick. Yes. Okay. Only 2 warm up. First warm up, and then increase the weight. Second warm up, and then three working sets. Yes, 3 working sets. I wish there's someone that can do drop set for me. I really do. But I'm all alone right now. Five more. Okay, here we go. Come on, boy. We don't got all day. I don't have all day here today. Second warm up, and then we feel it. We start. Okay. All right. If you're still training, especially leg day with your shoes on, come on, bro. Okay. Oh yes. Now, let's fill it. 3 sets. Okay. Set 1. Set 1. Okay. Yes. 2 more. Yes. Come on. Come on, bro. Even though I'm only doing leg press, I miss leg days, man. Wow. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. You can do this. Shit. One more. Oh my gosh. Well, let's call it a day on this week's leg day, leg press. Come on. Come on, brother. This is the last one. Before we go for the main event, front squatting. Oh, yes, baby. Shit. Whoa, that was a crazy set. Okay, let's go for the front squatting. Front squatting. There's no need of going crazy on this one. You also smooth, smooth, really smooth. Weight, you know. Let's try to remember that. That was fun. Excuse me. 2 plates only. Okay, come on. Maximum effort. Whoa, one more. Okay, let's finish this shit. Let's call it a day here. Well, it is the last set. So, we must drop set. Come on. Shit. All right. All right. Next. Well, I'm still really on the right track on this one, because I already thought that I won't be able to make it. I won't be able to make it on time. And it's 4:20 or 4:21 right now, if I'm not mistaken. And you know, the answer to the question that you might be thinking of asking right now is, why do you always perform this movement? Because I don't have the luxury of this machine before. We don't have it in our gym before, so I noticed that my leg was really just straight, like it was just straight. The inner thighs was really slim. It wasn't there, in fact, not just it was slim. So since we got this machine, most of all my exercise on legs, even sometimes I just throw it in on back there or any type of exercise that I'm doing to just perform this movement, so that I will heal the inner thigh, so that at least the leg will be, you know, thick, not slim. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's too far. Okay, should we call this set 2? Yes, here we go. Yes. One more. Whoa. Okay. That's it. And yeah. Yes. That's the fun of leg days. Legs day is you know, come on bro, stop thinking about it, just go. Finish. Okay. We are coming back small. Legs, we are getting back small. Yeah. All right. You have to train calves today. Stop saying you'll do it tomorrow. We have to train it now. All right, let's just do 2 sets of calves and call it a day. I'm just going to go for body weight calf raise, which is going to be simple as keep the feet straight and go for 20 reps. 1, wide, or should I say V. Inwards, yes, 20. Oh, fuck. Okay, this is going to be like that. 2 sets. Yes, and then we call it a day. So I'm not going to bore you with the boring exercise. So I'll see you guys tomorrow on back exercise. And if you made it this far, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And thank you so much for sticking around. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be good and stay close to God. Yes. And with that being said, that's it. Let me finish my boring exercise. Only one more. I'm not doing more than, I'm not doing, okay, I warmed up. So one more only. And that's it.